Students, in the last session we saw something about addition of algebraic expressions and we saw various examples. Now we need to see the subtraction of an algebraic expression. Okay? Now what is the rule here? As I told you, adopt the same first rule that you adopted for addition operation. You have to arrange the terms based on the powers starting from the lowest power, because we are adopting the ascending order of arrangement. Next, what you have to do is that you have to write the like terms one below the other when you are writing both the equations. That also you will follow. Apart from that, there is one more rule while you want to perform a subtraction operation. That I will tell you while I am performing the operation. Okay, shall we start now? Okay. So first, arrange this particular expression in the ascending order. Do you have a constant? There is no constant. So what will you write? You will write 0. Then followed by that constant, you have the next power, which is nothing but 1. So search for the variable with power 1. You have minus 21z. Bring 21z along with its sign. So minus 21z. Then do you have an z square term? Yes, it is 8z square. Then do you have a cube term? Yes, you have a cube term. What is the sign of it? It is plus z cube. Also, you should note that while you are performing the operation, you will be looking at both the equations and you will see that which equation has got the highest power. Which equation has got the highest power? The second equation has got the highest power, which is nothing but the power 4. But that power 4 is missing in the first equation. So I need to put a 0 there in that particular place. Next, likewise, arrange the same second equation in the similar manner. So you'll be having minus 8 here, then followed by minus 6z, followed by, do you have a z square term? No, it is missing, so put a 0 here. Then do you have a z cube term? Yes, I do have an z cube term, so plus 2z cube. And do you have a z power 4 term? Yes, you have, plus 4z power 4. Now what operation are you going to perform on these two equations? You are going to perform a subtraction operation. Now be very careful. This is where students make mistakes. Now what you have to do, I am going to tell you the third rule. What does the third rule say? This is the third rule. When you want to perform a subtraction operation, you should change the sign of the terms in the second equation alone. So what is the sign of this constant? It is minus, and therefore I change it to plus. See how I am writing? Please do adopt the same methodology. Then moving on to the second term, what is the sign? It is minus. So what it will change? It will change into plus. Likewise, the third term, it is negative. Then the fourth term is negative. The fifth term, it is negative. It's very simple. It's very simple. Okay. Now you'll ask me a question. Why should I change the sign of the terms involved in the second equation alone? Okay. I taught you only addition operation. Am I right? Addition of two algebraic expressions or addition of three algebraic expressions. Addition was very easy, isn't it? So to make subtraction easier, I am converting the subtraction operation into an addition operation. That's it. And that is why I am asking you to change the sign of the terms involved in the second equation into the opposite signs. Now what I can do, since I have changed the signs of the terms involved in the second equation, I can just perform an addition operation and keep going. That's it. So what you will get, you have plus 0 here and you have plus 8 here. Okay. Now what operation you are going to perform? You are going to perform an addition operation. That's it. So you will be getting plus 8. Next, moving on to the second term. you have minus 21z and you have plus 6z. Both the signs are different. When both the signs are different, they clash, they die, they fight. And what sign you will put down in the result? You will put the highest numeral sign. What is the highest numeral sign? 21 is larger than 6 and therefore sign of 21 you will put it down, and then they will clash and they will die. So what answer you will be getting? You will be getting 15z. Moving on to the next term, you have plus 8z and this is minus 0. Minus 0 has no significance. Don't consider it. Leave it as it is. So what is the answer? You will be getting 8z square. And moving on to the next term, you have plus z cube and minus 2z cubed. So both the signs are different. Since both the signs are different, next what you have to look into? You will have to look into the largest numeral. Which is the largest numeral? 2 is the largest numeral. So what is its sign? Its sign is minus. So put minus immediately below. And then what operation you will be performing since the signs are different? You will be performing a subtraction operation. They clash, they fight and they die. So 2z cubed and plus z cubed, they clash. So you will be getting only 1z cubed. So you can write it as 1z cubed alone, or you can put a 1 in front of it. It is not mandatory. It is not compulsory writing this 1 in front. Moving on to the last term, you have plus 0 and minus 4z power 4. Plus 0, don't consider it. It has no significance. So what will you write below? Just the term involved in the second equation, which is nothing but minus 4z 4 power 4. So this is the easiest way of doing a subtraction operation on two given, say, algebraic expressions.